Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I got tired of having to call somebody to work on my air conditioning unit. But the thing I couldn't do on my own was bend those copper pipes, those refrigerant pipes and things, until I worked with the good folks at VEVOR and picked this up. It's a pipe bending tool that I can adjust for all sizes. There's a huge range of sizes and it's all completely portable. So whether I'm doing the smallest little pipe on the back of the air conditioning unit, or I'm doing an entire line that goes into the house, we have everything that we need right here, and it's super easy to use. Now, my grandfather's pipe bender was this big steel apparatus. You'd have to heat the pipe. It was ridiculous, but this is really fantastic. You just go ahead, clamp it down on the pipe, and slowly but surely, it's going to bend it perfectly. How easy is that? And when you need to reverse it, all you do is lift up right here. Now you can go ahead and you can swap out the different heads, and there's so many different applications that you can use right here thanks to the good folks at VEVOR. They are absolutely an incredible company and you're gonna love them. So I'm gonna show you the up close portion of the video, but if you're looking for an incredible pipe bender, one that's going to do the job every single time, one that can't be beat, one that's too sweet, this is a great device. There's a little screw here, you tighten it down, put your pipe in, and let it do the work. It's just a wrist squeeze away from perfect pipes every single time. Again, I'm Adam, Elite Demonstrations. Whether you're doing copper, whether you're doing plumbing, whatever you're up to, VEVOR is the product for you. All right, stick around. We got the up close portion of the video coming up next. All right, folks, now it's time for our up close portion of the video. This is a super cool pipe bender, 90-degree multi-bender kit. This is the CT999RF for high quality refrigeration tools. That's right. Now, one of the things I love about this company is they always have high quality products with instructions with full color imagery. Yeah. Written by native English speakers. I love it. The Universal Cross. The housing. The former and the wing screw. Very cool stuff here, folks. Yeah, VEVOR has done it again with great quality stuff, and they always do. They always do high quality. Real steel they're still using. A lot of people are trying to skimp and use plastic everywhere they can, and that's why stuff doesn't last. VEVOR has those products that you know are going to be around for generational tools. That's what we're talking about here, folks. Yeah, look at that. Wow. That is incredible. So if you're looking for something that's better than the best, something that'll allow you to forget the rest, I'll show you each of these. Here is the main housing, right? Look at this. Look at the sturdiness they put into this. Using 1/4-inch steel in some of this. Wow. Is that 1/2 inch? That is serious stuff, folks. Again, VEVOR is a brand to beat. They're a premium brand, they're an elite brand, and they've got so much cool stuff here. You're gonna be able to do pipes of all sizes, great for refrigeration, great for bending, and everything in between. If you got them big pipes you need to bend, this is for the Snowman Jones sizes. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that I truly love. And guess what? These are fantastic. It's for copper tube tools and refrigeration tools. If you're looking for something absolutely awesome, well, look no further than the CT999 RF refrigerant. That's right. Comes with alloy aluminum wheel, special reverse direction bending function, and this is good for 1/4-inch, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, all the way to 22 millimeters. So you're doing some crazy bending, working with refrigeration tools. Well, guess what, folks? This is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. Let me show you up close all the tools one last time. Ain't nothing better than this, folks. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Have a great day.